My name is Aaron Cornelius, Sergeant First Class, United States Army, Platoon Sergeant in the infantry, and now I'm a wounded warrior. I was wounded April 10th, 2008, while securing a group of tankers who were stuck, and my boys and I went to help them secure them, and upon their being ready to go, I went to go pick up my boys that were around in different buildings, and as doing so, I ended up on top of a bomb that was ignited underneath me, which immediately blinded me, took out tennis ball size piece of skull out of my head, and damaged some arteries in my neck. It happened within it seemed like a millisecond, but I did not lose consciousness. I was still able to know that something went wrong, and I yelled at soldiers to get accountability of themselves and get us back to safety. And at that point, once everybody else was safe, is when I started kind of losing consciousness then, and then my boys took over and got me to a hospital and a flight out of the country. The next time I woke up, I was in a very large plane with 12 other wounded, headed to Bethesda and Walter Reed, Washington, D.C., which happened to be a couple days later. Me trying to, get on my feet and be independent and whatnot. My wife, who stood strong, once I got hurt, and kind of took the reins. And she had some minor ailments of her own, fibromyalgia, neuropathy. She had back problems, this, that, and the other. And I think the added stress of things added more to her health in a bad way. And unfortunately, May 23rd of this year, 2012, she was found passed away in her sleep. As things in my life was kind of in shambles here and there with my injuries, and my wife just passing away in May of this year, a lot of the guys stepped up in Wounded Warrior Project along with a few other companies, and they're doing wonderful things for my home, as like we're doing today. A company has stepped up, D&D Garage Doors here in Florida, and today they're putting on a brand new garage door on my home so that I can have sensors on the door so I don't accidentally crush anything, and have extra power that goes out. It can still be used, and just looking forward to it. It's the start of many new things that are being done to my home. I'm also not a quitter, so I just kind of keep pushing on, and some people are just amazed. I think I've been told that, how can you be so damn happy? How can you be, how can you go out there and help other people and be so damn happy, and like you handle it so, tremendously that they can't believe it. Because a lot of people even say just the fact of being blind, period, would drive some people crazy. And not want to be around no more,